x squared minus 1. So the procedure is, it will go in this way. What is the square root of x squared?
X.
It is x. The square root of 1 is
1.
1. That's step 1. Step 2, check the sign. If it is minus, you could factorize it. If it is plus, you cannot factorize it. So this is minus. Then first term x minus second term, first term plus second term. So this is the factorized form. If you want, you may write x plus 1 times x minus 1. It will be same. It doesn't matter because multiplication has commutative property. X plus 1 times x minus 1 or x minus 1 times x plus 1. They are equal to each other. So that's the factorized form. It's so simple. One more. X squared minus 16. Okay.
Yes.
The square root of 16. What's the square root of 16, Amila? Then, Amila, if you have this, then the second step, we will check the sign between these two terms. It's minus. If it is minus, you could write this x first term minus second term times first term plus second term. 16x squared minus 9y squared. So who will help me for this question? How can I factorize this expression? Okay, just raise your hand. Aydın?
Yes.
Okay. So you need to have more pluses. So you could help us. Yes, Aydın. What's the factorized form? So we have this and that one. Just tell me. I will write. Yes, tell me now.
4x, then we put it on a square.
Yes, that's for x. What's the second one?
And the second one is 3y.
Yes, wonderful. Then
we have 4x minus 3y.
yes,
Times 4x plus 3y.
yes, that's it. So that's the factorized form. So difference of two squares. You could factorize this difference in this form. When you multiply 4x minus 3y by 4x plus 3y, you will get 16x squared minus 9y squared. So this is the factorized form. That's it. So if you want to solve them, just raise your hand. The first one is coming. So 16a squared minus 25. So we will factorize this one using difference of two squares identity. Square root of 16a squared is, as you said, 4a. Then what is the square root of the second expression?
5.
5. Yes, that's 5. That's the first step. Second step is between these two terms, you need to have minus. If it is plus, you cannot factorize it. So it should be minus between them. Because of that, we are calling this difference of two squares. Then, could you tell me the factorized form? I have 4a and 5. So if we are writing in this form, first term plus or minus second term, then first term, we have used negative sign there. The second one will be plus this one. So the factorized form of 16a squared minus 25 is this. 9x squared, because the second one will be a fraction. but do not afraid of fraction. You may take the square root of them. Yes, Hamza, this is for you, Hamza.
3x za 9x na drugu. 3x for 9x squared.
Yes, it's 3x. What about the second one? The square root of 1 over 36 is?
1 over 6.
Yes. Okay, then what will be the factorized form of the given expression?
Open
Hamza?
parenthesis, so 3x plus 1 over 6. Yeah, можем.
Okay, no
Plus one,
problem.
close parenthesis times open parenthesis 3x minus 1 over 6.
Yes, excellent. So it will be this one. So 9x squared minus 1 over 36. We have difference of two squares. So we may factorize them. The square root of 9x squared is 3x. The square root of 1 over 36 is 1 over 6. And we wrote the factorized form. That's it. Now I have a tricky question. Without using calculator, who will calculate this? Who will tell me the result? 101 square minus 1.
Profesore, ja znam za to 1, ali za ovo 101 stvarno ne znam.
Mina, in English, please.
I know, I think I know.
Okay,
11.
so what is the square root of the first expression? Faruk,
11.
is it 11? 101 squared.
It's not 11.
Yes, I didn't. It is. What is the square root of the first one?
101.
Yes, 101. What is the square root of the second one? It's
1.
1. We have numbers. We don't have variables here. It doesn't matter. I can factorize it. So the first term minus second term, first term plus second term. Difference of two squares identity. The first term minus second term is 100 times first term plus second term is 102. So the result will be this. 10,200 will be the result. So without using calculator, you could calculate that. 97 squared minus 9. So,
Can I?
yes, Emina.
So, first of all, it is 97. And other one is 3.
Yes, the square root of 9 is 3. Then, what will be the factorized form?
97 minus 3. After that, times 97 plus 3.
Yes. What's 97 minus 3?
94 times 100.
And the result is
9,040. 400.
400. Yes.
40.
So, I am intentionally giving these numbers because when you add or subtract them, you will get 100. So multiplying 100 is easy. Just you will add 2 zeros at the end. So you may use the difference of two squares trick to calculate that kind of number. Calculate this expression without using calculators. 102 times 98. We will calculate this without using calculator. And hint, use difference of two squares identity. So let me give you hint here. Hint. So use difference of two squares identity. Try to write 102 and 98. Probably the biggest one will be a plus b. Smallest one will be a minus b. So when you multiply them, you will get a squared minus b squared. Just you need to find a and b here. So you will add two numbers. Their sum will be 102. When you subtract them, you will get 98. But these numbers will be very close to 100 probably, because when we are multiplying by 100, we are just adding zeros at the end. So that's the trick here.
100 plus 2.
A šta profesore ovo množimo? Ja ne razumijem.
Profesor, ovo će drugo biti 100 minus 2.
So 100 plus 200, 200 minus 2, 98. Look at this. So this is the factorized form of. So what is the result? So 10,000 minus 4. So 9, 9, 9, 6. So that's the result. Look at this. 102 times 98. We may write this product in the form of 100 plus 2 times 100 minus 2. Why I am doing this? Because 100 plus 2 and 100 minus 2 is the factorized form of 100 square minus 2 square. So you could take the square of 100 easily. So if you have that kind of persons, it may be something like a puzzle. So you need to get hundreds. So if you get the 100, then you may write 100 plus 2 or something like that, 100 square. You will get 100 square.